This is all aluminum. It's a true transformer. Gang, Wolfman has arrived. We are at a very special place right now. We're getting the way ready for some additional outdoor adventure. So we are at LAXParts in Mississauga to get the girl dressed up with her new top. Okay, we're in the warehouse. The lads are going to start assembling the product. You can see they got tons of product here, from side steps to the tonneau covers to what we're getting today, which is the capper. So beautiful warehouse, lots of goods. Can't wait to get this thing built and ready to go. Okay gang, the way is in the bay and we are getting ready to roll. So the boys are just checking things out in the back. So thanks guys for getting all this stuff together for us. Really exciting. All right, so you can see the boxes over here, and they've got a lot in inventory, and I was really surprised actually that when I called to find out about getting this topper, I thought for sure I was gonna have to order it and wait 3 weeks and all the rest of it. And these guys said, nope, come on in, we'll get you sorted. And they've just done the pre-assembly here for the topper now. I am so excited, cannot wait to go camping with this for the first time. All right, as they're putting things together, just to show you the quality of the materials and stuff that they have. And this is the box of the clamps that they're gonna attach it to the bed with. And really nice. These are like either an anodized aluminum or something, so they should be pretty corrosion resistant and really solid and nice quality. Also, what you get with it, they don't do the wiring here because they're not licensed, but there is both an interior light, which I'm going to connect to my auxiliary connection in the front of the Jeep, and then they also have a brake light, which connects to the brake light, right within the Jeep. So that'll be an easy one to do when I get home. So cool, so many features. So I told you they have a lot of stock and they probably have the topper you're looking for. Look at this place, absolutely massive. This whole warehouse, just stock full of these Dura covers. And as I said earlier, not just the covers, you can get the tonneaus, side steps and other things as well. What a great operation. Well, one thing you want to make sure of if you're getting any of these tops, and this is another reason I wouldn't do it myself, because these guys have done hundreds of these, and he's just applying the weatherproofing strips right now for waterproofing to make sure that it doesn't leak kind of around the edges and the seams. So really nice to see that stuff going down. And again, why do it yourself? You know, for this price, for what they charge, and for the quality of the material and the workmanship, can't beat it. That these corner pieces here, it's a beautiful premium material, and they're sticking it down, and you can see how they're actually running this all around here to get that, perfect corner seam. So really nice work. All right, you can just see them applying another corner over here and a little double layer. Again, why on earth would you try and do this yourself? They've done this so much. Get the right people to do it, and they're here. All right, just taking a little footage of the side of the panel, and what's really cool about what they do is that this is all aluminum. The body, the molly panels, everything. So be really corrosion resistant and take the elements. The other cool thing that I really like is that they have these covers for the latches, so you can protect against the snow and the rain, because we know in Canada winters can be an absolute beast, right? So LAXParts.com, doing it right. The lads are installing it on the side now. Look at that beautiful beast. All right, looks so nice. And you can see on top that we did get the rail, so we can actually load up the kayak and other things, maybe even the toolie sometimes for some additional storage. But really super impressed with how pretty this is. Really super nice. Pretty cool. Just going to give you a view of the back with the rails on top, and just really pretty. And as I told you, these latches here with the covers are fantastic. You can see that the side door is opened up. I'll go give you a closer look inside. One of the things about overlanding is getting access to your gear. And as I was saying to the lads earlier, the problem we had with the bed is it's too low to get enough gear in place. So now we have that completely ready to go, and you can see that both doors on each side open. So for quick access to anything that we need on either side, we can just grab it, you know, through the sides. And really nice material. Love how everything is built. Feels really solid. Yeah, that is a nice unit. Pretty panda, as we like to say. So I think I mentioned this already, but they do have a top light, which we'll have to wire in, as well as the rear brake light. And both of them aren't necessary because we already have the brake light in the trunk, in the regular gate. But it'd be a nice feature to get it some additional, you know, brake lights. Well, this is the way. All right, kids, we got it here all kitted out. We literally just pulled out and on our way home and wanted to show you the new topper. And I can't believe the quality of this. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle now. I mean, I've always loved this thing, but it's ready for, you know, some real overlanding now. So let's take you on a full 360. I just absolutely love how this thing works. It's a true transformer. And I did show these earlier, but the latch covers are really nice to be able to make sure that it's weatherproof. Simply pop them out. And then you have instant access inside. And both sides have that. And we got some wiring to do because we do have an extra brake light at the top on the back there. And you can see that the glass allows you to see through all the way. So really nice field of view. The one thing we are going to come back for is to get basically a protective molly, which goes on the inside of this window, which it does not have right now. And that'll finish things up. We did get the rack on the top to be able to put the canoe and maybe some of the extra storage. And could not be happier with the service that we got from everybody at Lax. Just an amazing organization. From the first phone call to check and see if we could actually get our hands on this, to the service guys that actually did the install, to the price. I mean, very reasonable, and certainly it's something you're going to want to check out. So make sure you check them out, and you're going to see this on our next adventure. So until next time, as we always say, until next time, get going, get gone.